Hi guys, today we are going to take a look at a 2-bedroom, 1-bath Verona. We're going to start off with the gorgeous dining room with our wood color vinyl. And then we do have a coat closet right as you enter. And then that goes into our spacious living room. And this specific apartment does have brand new upgraded carpet. And we have a walkout patio. So lots of outside access. Lots of natural sunlight coming through the home. And then we're going to take a look first at the breakfast bar style. Super open. You can have bar stools right there instead of a dining room table if you choose to. Lots of options. We're gonna go into the kitchen with the wood cabinets and white appliances. Lots of cabinet space. So we have the cabinets above the sink and also at level with the sink. Lots of storage space. Then we can peek inside. Lots of space for ya. And then we're gonna go into the bathroom. First vanity inside, and then a linen closet, and then the shower. And then extra vanity inside the bigger bedroom. And then we can peek inside here. This is going to be the closet that's inside the master. And one thing I really like about the Verona is that you have the longer windows, so a lot of natural light comes through the home, which we can see. And again, brand new upgraded carpet. That really beautiful cream tinted color. And that is going to be our Verona. 2-bedroom, 1-bath, 856 square feet. I hope you guys have a good rest of your day.